one.
Of a theme we got going here. Look at our high temperatures. Each and every day so far this month has featured highs below normal, including a high today of 38 and a high yesterday of just 35 degrees. For the entire month, the average temperature now about 36.2. That is about 4.2 degrees below normal. So you get the idea. It's been cold around here. Don't expect any major warm-ups anytime soon. This is our current upper air pattern. Now, the really cold stuff is kind of bottled up here in northern Canada. You see those darker purple colors. But watch what's going to happen over the next 36 hours. We get a reinforcing shot of cold air, the really cold stuff where temperatures will be below zero. Gets very close to the U.S.-Canadian border, but we will have this northwest flow keeping temperatures well below normal as we head into Tuesday. I think Tuesday will likely be the coldest day of the week when highs barely get above freezing. Then as we get later in the week, it's going to be slow, it's going to be modest, but you can see we'll start to develop more of a southwest flow, and that means highs by late in the week should get back to near, if not above normal. But Wednesday's high, about 35, 36 degrees up to 53 down in St. Louis, so warmer to our south and west. The good news, no big storms across much of the country Wednesday, so you should be just fine if you have any travel plans. As we get into Thanksgiving, you can see we'll get back into the lower 40s with 50s to our south, and then as we get into Friday, mid to upper 40s around here, but there will be more clouds, and eventually some rain moving into the area. No rain today. We had a trace of snowfall early this morning, high of 38 degrees. That is some 9 degrees below our average high of 47. Low this morning was 30. We're going to be much colder than that tonight, especially in the outlying areas. Already down to 34. It feels like it's 28 with a wind out of the west-southwest at 7. Check out some of these readings. 27 now in Harvard. Elmhurst and Naperville, you're down to 31. 32 already in Crete. 27 in Marengo and Lake Geneva, and 38 in Lowell. So already temperatures quite chilly. You can see how skies are clearing for now, and that's why many areas away from the lake will dip into the mid to upper teens. The nearest precipitations in the form of light rain in eastern Ohio with a little snow in Pennsylvania. But we're watching another frontal boundary. This is that cold front that's going to move through here Monday night. It's attached to this low pressure system. Now, it's got a ways to go. It's not all that strong, but watch what happens. The clouds will thicken up as we head through the day tomorrow. Highs get into the mid to upper 30s, and then that front moves through here tomorrow night. What that will do is allow a brief period where we have this north-northeast wind, and there could be this band of lake effect snow, albeit light, before daybreak on Tuesday. That moves out of here. We'll see clearing skies on Tuesday, but it will be cold with a high on Tuesday of just 34. So overnight tonight, clear to partly cloudy, very cold. Out towards the Fox River Valley, down to 15. The low here in the city, 25. Most of us lower 20s. Highs tomorrow, 34 to 39. You can see our 7-day outlook does call for slightly milder conditions for Thanksgiving with a high of 41, upper 40s late in the week. But as far as the sun, forget about it as far as the weekend. But at least we should see a lot of sun for Thanksgiving.